tracking that I talked about too.
Lisa, I want to, just paging through this, I want to talk a minute about, in the last time that we submitted our county management plans, there's still an unresolved question about the appeals process, and I have voiced at least 3 times at the Mental Health Commission that I'm not satisfied with what they're doing, and the Director Concannon had suggested a negotiated settlement. The big part of the concern about, they said that in the appeals process that the Board of Supervisors couldn't be involved, and I really oppose that position, because the Board of Supervisors employ the CPC, who's the manager of the fund, and if we're not involved at some level, we're less likely to know of any problems for the consumers. We levy for that fund, we manage that fund, and we also employ the CPC, and I really do not approve of the idea that the Board of Supervisors would be totally out of the process, and I was told that there was going to be some kind of negotiated settlement of which I could be involved. So that hasn't happened yet, but I'm still going to really support the position that we need to be involved for all those reasons, and that it's really a consumer protection in that if we're not part of that process, quite often the consumer is not going to be able to let us know what concerns are, especially in areas that they don't think they're being treated properly or fairly or whatever. So as of now, that still is not resolved, and there have not been any plan updates come through the Commission, and I think they're all waiting to see how that gets sorted out. So,
at what level is that done?
State.
State has to.
It's the Commission discusses and looks at that plan, and then gives either a recommendation or disapproval of the county management plan to DHS. DHS still makes the final decision as to whether it's approved or not, but quite often they go with the recommendation of the Mental Health Commission. There was some discussion and some concern that this plan had been recommended by the Mental Health Commission, but DHS did not approve. So there's still some controversy with that.